Hello traders, Sid here with another trade recap, and this trade recap is kind of like delayed because I'm covering trades that I took on Thursday, but nonetheless let's cover it over here. And this video is going to be very quick and short because on Thursday I took only two trades, and both of trades were on SPY. So I'm just following this indicator that is moving average crossover indicator. And as you can see here, this was my first trade and my entry was at 10:04, and then I closed my position at 10:25. Now why I took this position and why I enter over here. So as you guys can see here, we were following the SPY was following price action relative to its volume weighted average price. So when it bounced back from, this was the first bounce, then it reached to 441, and then it retest the VWAP again at 438.61, and from there it bounced back again. But on this bounce back, as you guys can see here, the price was not strong. That means the bulls and bears were kind of like fighting throughout this price action, and and ultimately bear wins, and that's why we had the sell off. And one more thing to add to that is, like, if you take a look at the price action very carefully, you will see this arc was forming. Now whenever that arc forms, usually it indicates that buyers are getting exhausted, and sellers will gaining control more and more over the current price action. So that exactly what happened over here. And I was a little bit hesitant to hold it during this during this period, because uh, there is that doubt in your mind that probably the trade can go or will go against your anticipated move. But um, when I saw the weakness in the price, like it was not breaking up above 441 442, then I realized that okay, then I was assured that it will go in my direction, in my favor. And that ended up happening. But I was quite hesitant to hold my position for a little bit longer. But anyhow, in my first trade I got $80 on the next trade. So the next trade I took because of the price action. The SPY was like kind of retest that view up again for the fourth time, and I was expected to break down even further, like retest and break down further, but that happened quite later on that day. But what happened over here is, like, when it broke above view up, I got into the trade with I will cover the price later on, because I don't remember like exactly what price or strike price that I got in for the puts, but I got in here at 10:58, and then I closed my position as at 11:08 when it retest the view up for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th time. And this was a quite short trade because I didn't want to take a risk. I hit my daily goal of $100 by this point, so I closed the trading after that. So let's take a look at the actual trades. So this was my first trade, two contracts, 439 strike at $4 and sold it for 440. And the next trade was at 10:58, the smaller one, uh, for two contracts at 438 put. 380 was the price that I paid for it, and 390 for the price which I sold it over there. So on this first trade I made $80, on the second trade I made $20. So On so totally I made $100 in that trade, on both trades, combining both the trades. So that's it for this video. Two trades, quick and short, based on the fundamental, based on the view of strategy, and I made my daily goal. I made $100. So quite happy about that, nothing to complain. So thanks for watching, and see you guys in next trade recap. Thank you.